Hi, in this class we are going to learn that is the problems related to economic span. The approximate cost of one superstructure and one pier for a multi-span bridge are given below. Estimate the economic span. Span they have given, that is for 12 meter, 18 meter and 21 meter. For respect to that, superstructure cost they have given and the substructure cost. For 12 meter span they have given 34,000. For 18 meter span it is 80,000. For 21 meter it is 1,50,000 and the substructure cost it is 50,000, 54,000 and 48,000. Now the solution. Okay, the calculation is based on assumption that cost of superstructure is proportional to the square of the span. That is, the cost of superstructure is proportional to the square of the span. Next you need to calculate, that is average cost coefficient. The average cost coefficient is, that is for different span you need to calculate average cost coefficient. First the span it is 12 meter, for 18 meter and for 21 meter. For all these span you need to calculate, that is the cost coefficient. The cost coefficient it is given by, that is what, cost of superstructure divided by square of the span. Okay, the cost coefficient for 12 meter span, the superstructure cost it is 34,000 divided by square of the span, that is 12 square. You will get it as 236.11. Similarly for 18 meter it is 80,000 divided by 18 square, that will be equal to 246.91. Similarly for 21 meter it is 1,50,000 divided by 21 square. You will get it as 340.13. This is what your cost coefficient. Next you need to calculate average cost coefficient. Average cost coefficient, you need to take average of all these cost coefficient. It is given by sum of all the cost coefficient divided by number of spans. Okay, that is number of this value, that is 3, that is 236.11. Take the average of this cost coefficient, that's all. 236.11 plus 246.91 plus 340.13. divided by number of this value, that is 3. Okay, you will get, that is the cost coefficient average 274.38. Once you calculate, that is average cost efficient, then you need to calculate average cost of one peer. Average cost of one peer, it is given by average cost of one peer. Okay, that is what substructure cost they have specified. Okay, for different span, take the average of this. Okay, that is 1 by 3. Okay, that is 50,000 plus 54,000 plus 48,000. Okay, calculate average of this, that is 50666.66. This is what your average cost of one peer. Next, the economic span. The formula to calculate economic span, it is denoted by LE, that will be equal to average cost of one peer, that is denoted by B, divided by average cost coefficient whole to the power of 0.5. Okay, average cost of one peer you have calculated 50666.66 divided by K value, that is 274.38 whole to the power of 0.5. Okay, then the economic span LE, you will get it as 13.59 meter. Thank you.